Okay, so I've got a special announcement. Would you like to attend the conference in Omaha? Well, now you can. They're live streaming it. And our brother Seth Fahlenkamp, I'm going to put a link right under this video to his YouTube channel. He is the one doing the live streaming. So you need to go to his YouTube channel in order to connect with the conference. I believe it's live, so you'll be able to ask questions in the sidebar. From what I gather, the speakers are going to be speaking, and when the Q&A happens, I believe we're able to ask questions. So we will be able to chat with each other on the sidebar. So this is fabulous. This is tremendous. I figured they were going to do it, and Seth is bringing it across. They did a test run last night, and it went pretty well. So I'm sure it's going to go off without a hitch. 9 a.m. Right now, it's 7:15 here in Alberta, Canada. It's Central Time, so I believe wherever you are, you got to figure out the Central Time to when the conference is actually happening and starting. But if you have Seth's YouTube channel open, you will see that when he goes live. So this is a special announcement. So enjoy the conference, and I know I will. Grace and peace.